Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 1157-1157. We're opening one box of 2015 ITG Leaf in the game used. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended August 14th at 9:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 12:39 p.m. Saturday, August 15th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Just like to mention that we've got 7 box breaks ending tomorrow night, and that we have another Leaf 2015 game used ending at 9 p.m. We also have a Ultimate Vault ending at 10:30, and ITG game used 13:14 ending at 8 p.m. That's it. On with the break. Okay, a couple of pads. Another tight one. That's the third one I get. I don't know why they forced it like that, but bear with me. I'd rather take my exam than to damage a card, but they really, like, not even a little, look at that. Unbelievable. Manufacturer's defect. Let's try to separate it like that. Bear with me, guys. Unbelievable. That's the worst one I got. Okay, I got a little crack here. Try to get this in. Try to force it. Ah, there we go. Well, look at that. Unbelievable. Try to get some. Go backward here. Sorry, I feel a little awkward, but trust me, this thing has been forced in major time. Okay. Look at that. Okay, yeah, I got it now. Let's try. Not even. Ah. Okay, that's better. So I get it even. There we go. Rather take my time and not damage them, trust me. Okay, let's just flip this. And flip this back. Extra careful, like always. I'm sure you appreciate it. Okay, first card. Let's sleeve it right away so my fingers never touch it. Bjorg Salming and Darryl Sittler. Dual jersey card out of 35. Toronto. Nice hit. Okay, put this aside. Double check something here. Okay, next card. Get a sleeve right away. We've got a game used out of 45, game used jersey of John Vanjensbroek. Just double check something here. Yeah, card goes to Rangers. I have to stick with my rules. It's clearly indicate on my card that if I have no logo, I really have no logo and no mention of any team on the card, back or front, I need to go with the most season played. I understand the issue of the jerseys, but I can't have two rules. So card goes to Rangers. Played 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 years with Rangers. Third card, we got a triple jersey card. Sergei Fedorov, Steve Eisenman, and Niklas Lindstrom. So that card goes to Detroit for sure. Triple jersey card out of 40. Nice hit. 3 great players. Wow. Nice. Okay. Next card. Stack the pads. Curtis Joseph. Nice. Dual leather pads or glove out of 20. Curtis Joseph. Again. Curtis Joseph. Most season played is Blues. 2, 4, 6 season with Blues. I have no logo, no indication clearly of a logo or mention of a team on the card. 20 hockey. Again, it's an issue I just understand with the colors, but most season played of Curtis Joseph, again, clearly indicated on my description page, goes to Blues. Okay, now for the wow. Now for the wow. Let me just be very careful with this one. Wow, this is a 6-patch Gretzky card out of 7. Or 4-patch jersey. Wow, just beautiful. You have received a rare material memorabilia, Wayne Gretzky. Enjoy a piece of hockey history. Most season played is Oilers. Yeah, those are patches. This, I think it's a stick. Trying to see closely. What a card. Wow. So that's our box. Let's do a quick recap of our hits. Let's do it upside down. Let's start with the last one here. So we've got a dual jersey card for Toronto, George Salming and Daryl Sittler. We've got a John Vandensbroek for Rangers. We got a triple jersey card for Detroit, Eisenman, Fedorov, Lindstrom. We got a Curtis Joseph stack the pads for Blues. And a wow, Wayne Gretzky for Oilers. I'd say 4 patches or 2 numbers, 2 patch, a jersey and a stick out of 7, Wayne Gretzky. That concludes our break number 1157. Be sure to check out other box breaks tomorrow night. We have a Leaf ending at 9 p.m., identical to this one. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.